This is the LF26 sports fitness band. Got a lot of controls in here, turning it on and off, changing the overall brightness of the screen. Great graphics on this LF26. It's got like a 1.3-inch screen with 360 by 360 resolution. We got heart rate, last night's sleep time, fancy animated graphics. There's your step count, distance traveled, calories burned, all three of those cards next to a changeable watch face with 3 installed basic faces here and an optional one that you can add and download from the Tethering app. On this side, you've got your overall activities. There's the sporting data we already saw, heart rate. You also have a screen for blood oxygen that it can do readings from here or remotely from the app. You've got your overall blood pressure selectable from here, messages, sleep time, a few different sports like running, hiking, cycling, and swimming and basketball as well. And in swimming, you can get your heart rate and calories burned and simply twist the wrist to see the time when it times out and come right back there. No need to touch the watch at all and have an accurate reading of your heart rate while you're swimming. That's kind of nice. QR code for tethering. You've got timers, find your phone, overall settings, which includes your brightness, find your phone, which it's trying to do right now, and languages that you can change to basically English or Chinese, a vibration intensity selection, and your system where you can get the info, shut it down, or reset it. All in all, it's a very attractive, high-resolution screen smartwatch with some health fitness capability, the LF26. Check it out.